Okay, series again. One equation is given, second equation is given that I have converted it ax plus by is equal to c. So here this 4 jumps left to right, so plus. This minus 5y jump right to left, so it is plus. Now AA, BB, CC I have written. Now as per the formula D is equal to BA, AB, DX is equal to CB, DY is equal to AC. Now substitute the number. This, this. So 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 3, 8, 4, 8. Then second, 4, 6. This is 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. 32 minus, this is d, dx dy. This is 2, this is 2, this is 8. Now x is equal to dx by d, y is equal to dy by d. Dx 2 by 8, so 1 by 4. Dy, dx is 2 by d, sorry 2. So the answer is 1. Dy 8 by 2, that is 4. So your x answer is 1, your y answer is 4. So solution, x first, y second. So this you can do by Hart method, this you can do by Ramana Marana method. One more sum I have. 2x plus 3y x by 1 minus y by 2 1 by 2. 2 LCM 1 2 za 1 1 za 1 1 za 2x minus y 1. This is first equation. Second equation is this. Anyone you can take first or anyone you can take second. Now your A, B and C are 2, 2. Nothing is given, so minus 1, 3, 1, 2. Now try for Ramana Marana. Ramana means A, B, C. Ra means here A. Ma means B. Ra means C. So what is A? 2, 2. What is A? 2, 2. What is B? Minus 1, 3. Separate. This is your D, this is your dx, this is your dy. Now d is equal to dx is equal to dy is equal to 2 3s are 1 3s are 2 2s are. Then this minus 1 2s are minus 1 2s are 1 2s are 3 2s are 6 3 1s are 3 3 2 2s are 4 minus minus plus 2 ones are 2, minus minus plus 2 ones are 2, minus only 2, so it is 8, it is 5, it is 3. So x only dx by d, y only dy by d, dx 5 by 8, dy 5 by 8, so 5 by 8. A and B correct, C and B correct, A and C also correct. Wait, something went wrong. 21 correct, correct. Hmm. This is 2 dy, so it is 1 by 2. Because when you will substitute in any equation, no, it should be balanced, left side and right side. That's why my doubt was there. So now 2x minus y. 2x means 5 by 8 minus y 1 by 4. 10 by 8 minus 2 by 8. So 8 by 8, it is 1. Left side, right side equal. Okay, that was my mistake. So like that, by substitution method, you will come to know that which is correct, which is wrong. So anytime you can substitute this 1 and 4, you can substitute 1 and 4. 4 ones are 4. 4. 4 threes are, see here. Bigger figure, bigger figure, bigger figure. See, let's check this. Four, correct, correct, correct. These 24. So this will be minus 4. See, no, there is a possibility of second mistake. So this minus 4 we have to apply. Minus 4. So minus 4, it becomes minus 2. This becomes minus 2. Now you can apply 4x plus 3y. 4 bracket plus 3y. X minus 2, 4, 4 to the 8, 12 is 4. So it is minus 2, 4. Sorry, it was my mistake that I have written wrong number. See, with a single number, you will get both the answers wrong. Dx, if it is dx wrong, then x also wrong. So now at the end, you substitute in any equation, you will get it. So by substituting, I got that my answer is right or wrong. One is right, one is wrong. So I have rechecked. So by recheck, you will definitely get your correct answer. So like that, student study topic wise in maths especially, and in science also. That science also we will start in next month, next this from June. So you don't worry for maths and science, any problem you can ask, you can write, you can send me the message. And during the lecture, if you have any problem, I will send you the video. Be with me and try to join your each and every student. Do hard work from first day. So from first day, when you will do hard work till last day, so last month you have not to wake up full night, पूरी रात जाग के काम नहीं कर पड़ेगा. जब बाकी लोग ने पूरे साल कुछ काम नहीं किया है, तो उसे जागना पड़ेगा. So you will lose your health, you will lose your temperament, physically, mentally you will get sick. So don't try that. So regularly study. And in workbook also you have to write workbook, you have to bring from the school, and in workbook also you have to write the assignment. Clear cut message I'll send today only. So Monday we will meet. Till that, thank you. Goodbye. Bye. Thank you.
Goodbye.